on, guys? It is RNX here, and as you can see, I'm back with my iPhone X because my friend has my camera. And today what I'm going to be doing is, this is really cringe, but you guys see this shit? I'm going to be doing a POV driving video with the RCF, and yes, I'm going to be putting this thing on my head. I made an executive decision that with the hood on, it doesn't look as bad. Look, right? But yeah, I'm going to be driving around in my city, so you know, I don't want to like expose myself, so maybe with hood up, it's not as bad, right? All right. Yes, I'll be back shortly. Dude, everyone keeps interrupting.
What about your clothes? They're gonna get all wrinkled.
Oh, I have to go.
Oh well.
I gotta go.
I guess they'll be wrinkled.
We'll do it when we get back.
Where are you guys going?
I'm gonna go crash the car.
We're gonna watch the sunset.
Yep.
Thank you. Thank you for telling me.
Oh, beautiful. Oh, yep. Everyone already knows my license plate anyways. Haha, you know where I live. Cool. Alright. Low tire pressure. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm doing this. Guys, don't judge, okay? I know there's people on the internet that want to see this shit, so we're doing it. It's going on my head right now. And good thing I have the darkest legal tint, so. All right, guys, we're not gonna go windows down until we get out on the open roads because I'm really not trying to expose myself around the neighborhood right now, so. The ground is a little bit wet, so I gotta be cautious of that. Do not, oh my god, I'm getting put on Snapchat, guys. And I have 19 miles till empty also, so that's cool, but oh well. And since I have uploaded last, I have not done anything else to the car, so right now all I have is the NVIDIA catback with the titanium tips. Alright, so I'm windows up right now, I'm in eco mode, and I'm not gonna really step on it until I get out on the street. I'm gonna put the windows down because there's no one there. See, so when I'm driving at normal speed, like I'm not, you know, heavy on the pedal and all, the car really does not sound any louder than stock, which I'm kind of glad of because I really don't want to be a cop magnet. I don't know if you guys know, but I got pulled over going 90 in a residential community, like right down the street here, so we don't do that shit anymore, okay? And to be completely honest, if you have this car, you know that it straight up just sucks ass on gas. Like, I'm getting 9.8 miles per gallon right now, but I've only been driving for like 2 or 3 minutes, so. But if I do drive around the city pretty conservatively, I'll get maybe like 14, 15, 17 sometimes, but all right, I'm gonna give it a little gas over here. I'm gonna give it gas, I'm gonna go in Sport Plus, the torque vectoring differential, it's a track. And you guys can tell it automatically got a bit louder there. I'm kinda gonna shut up and stop talking. That's maybe like 40% throttle. I'm gonna downshift with the window down here. Oh, it just crackled a little bit. Down into first gear. I'm gonna give it gas here, I'm in manual mode. You guys could hear me smacking the limiter there. And I'm gonna downshift right now with the windows up into second. sounds honestly amazing in the cabin. And when I get right over 4,000 RPMs, you guys can hear, I guess it's like an intake that pipes, what's it called? Like engine sound air into the cabin, which sounds pretty cool. Just a second. Wasting so much gas. 9.9 miles per gallon, and honestly I'm pretty sure we just missed the sunset, so right?
No,
I mean, like, the
sunset,
sunset, it don't look that good. It's just the weather's been kind of shitty today, guys, but we're doing the best with what we have. Oh, he's looking at me. Oh my god. He's looking. All right, there's no one coming. The shifts when you're in Sport Plus are almost like instant, like downshift. Oh, there's a speed bump. It's not a dual clutch, but I mean, it's as good as it gets for this car. Still below 10 miles per gallon, but honestly I don't drive around like this just for you guys, okay? I hope the ad revenue gets me maybe like $5 towards gas. That'll be cool. A gallon and a half. And also, like I said, I'm in Sport Plus right now because I know you guys don't want to see eco mode because that's kind of boring, so I'm gonna put the window back down also. I hope there's not like a lot of wind noise when I put it down, but I guess we'll find out. It's okay, it'll be uploaded anyways. Hopefully you guys like it. Downshift into second. See those automatic wipers being put to work. Yeah, guys, all the trees are like burned over here because there's always fires in the Everglades. We always see that like smoking and stuff. Alright, I'm just not gonna waste gas right now because there's no reason in speeding. Back into eco mode, back into drive out of manual mode, and we're just back in like a daily driver pretty much now. Daily driver with bad miles per gallon either way, but it's cool. On the highway, I think I've got honestly north of like 23, 24 miles per gallon. You know, driving really conservative and going like a longer distance. But for the most part, if you're a tree hugger and you want good gas mileage and you care about the earth, no, I'm kidding, I care about the earth, but like to buy this car, you don't have to, like, you can't expect to not be running through gas because honestly, I don't drive this car that much. I probably go through like a tank every 2 weeks, and I only drive this car on the weekends. But whenever I do drive it, I drive it pretty hard because I don't drive it all the time. I drive my mom's IS more, the Lexus IS, so. Yo, why am I coming in here? You trying to go home? Bro, I really do not want to drive through this. Ow, the GoPro keeps hitting this thing here. You think it's still going?
Should I get out?
Yeah. Alright guys, I'm taking this shit off my head. It's still recording, right? Yeah.
Oh,
Let's just go up. Yeah, let's go this way.
right?
Yeah, we're going this way. You guys know I live in Florida. Oh, there's a really big, oh, great sound. Yep. I think my exhaust just hit the ground. That was not a Jeep, it's a truck. Woo, America. We're gonna end the video there. I have 12 miles until empty, so like I can't really skirt home. Hope you guys did enjoy that video. I tried my best with the GoPro. I hope it sounded good. I hope the quality was good. This will be it for the next week until I get the carbon fiber hood in. You guys will obviously see that video. I have to figure out how to install it yet. I don't know, but I'll figure it out. And anyways, thank you for watching. Drop a like on the video if you did enjoy. Subscribe down below, and I'm gonna try not to crash. Comment anything interesting, and yeah, we'll catch you guys next time. Peace. Just don't stop the video.